This is Captain Chris with Matrix Shad. And what we've been doing is fishing some deep water spots. And I say deep water for us, 12 to 15 foot of water. And what we've been using is this new Matrix shrimp on a drop shot rig. And it's quite simple. It's very simple. All we're doing is getting it down to the bottom in that current, barely picking up on it at times. Sometimes just let it sit in the current. With that big old floppy tail it has, it's just moving or mimicking a shrimp in the current. Right? The brown shrimp showed up. This is going to mimic a brown shrimp. They're really not that big right now, the brown shrimp, so it's about this size what they are. And we just drop shotting it in about 12 to 15 foot of water on some shell pads, and we're crushing the trout.
Let it sink. Alright, y'all, came over here towards the hospital wall. Started off in the pilings, but before I could even set the trolling motor down, the birds started diving like crazy. And we went on a tear. Then the birds peeled off, and now we're closer to the wall with all of the captains. Switched to that Matrix shrimp on a drop shot. Starting to wear them out again. Now we got a hard falling tide. Got a good fish here too. I switch on over from a jig head to this right here. And you're fishing hard current spots like this right here. This Matrix shrimp is really, really an easy way to get this bait to the bottom. Very simple way to catch the fish because this big bank sinker keeps it down there and this just floats in the current. These fish are eating it up. Just throwing it out there. Current's coming at us. Be a lot better if I had a spot lock. That way I could fish it out the back of the boat. But what happened was we started off closer to the shore. There's a lot of boats in here by the wall. And then all of a sudden the birds went bananas way out in no man's land. So we moved the boat out there by the birds and started catching them good. And then we got in that, once the birds left and the fish slowed up a little, we just started drifting back in the current line. And as we got closer to all of the captains, you got Captain Chris right over here to the side. Then the fish kind of started concentrating again around the hospital wall again, and we're getting on another rhythm here. And it's just one of them things, like once you find them right now, they're in big schools. We got a lot of shrimp in the area. Another thing they're eating, look at this. Got croakers in the area, and they're just gorging. And then birds, it's not something we look for this time of year normally. Look at that. I'm talking to y'all with the camera, and that Matrix shrimp was just swimming in the current, and I missed him. We don't usually look for birds this time of year, but this year has been an exception because we had a real salty spring. And we got brown shrimp and some croakers and other things birds are diving on and telling us where these fish are at a lot of times. All right, so we're gonna move back up current from all of the boats. Look, you can see the birds are hovering right here in front of all the boats. So we got a real hard falling tide. Now when we were in the mix of the birds, you could throw anything you wanted, it was chaos. And then the birds came back, they're up in front of these boats. So when you got that hard falling tide though, put that heavy drop sinker on there, and this matrix shrimp is just a fabulous way to fish, you know, 10 to 30 foot of water in current. Look at all the fish on the floor. It's just chaos out here. Got birds diving on a lot of shrimp, and obviously they're diving on some croakers. We got croakers they've been spitting up all over the boat today. So I'm gonna come up in front of these boats again and see if we can figure it out. Polish off this limit. I'm hooked up. Double trouble. Got pandemonium going on here, y'all. Wasn't even moving the lure. Filming Jeff, and then this one grabs it with the lure not even moving. That's how good that matrix shrimp really is. So flexible with that TPE plastic, that stretchy plastic. Look at that pretty trout there, y'all. Get on in here, baby. Get on in here. Come on up. Look at this bait. Show you guys what makes it so great. So look, it's got that stretchy material, and it's got this fat paddle tail on it. So when it's sitting down there in the current, it's just snaking around and doing its thing. Great bait for current and deep water. Oh, missed him at the boat. Let me check on my shrimp. You should be able to use one of these all day. They shouldn't tear up. They might move around on you a little bit, but let's make sure that hook's in place and get it back out there. Golly, you didn't even let it sink. Didn't even let it sink. Good one, good one, good one. Good one, y'all. Normally we don't really keep our eyes peeled for birds in the early summer in this basin, but this year is a different story, y'all. Here we go again, y'all. Got out of the boats. Came way up in front of all of the boats. Boats are way behind us now. Birds were diving like crazy up here, and a lot of times just because the birds leave don't mean the fish leave. Came up here, started dropping that drop shot down against the current. Fish are going nuts. These fish are going nuts, baby. A lot of shrimp and croakers in this area. And that matrix shrimp on a drop shot, I'm telling y'all, this is the way to go. Got him all tangled up, but look, this is the way to go. Summertime fishing. Early summer, deep water drop shotting. All right, guys, we had chaos this morning. Point of today's episode is to tell you guys, you know, early summer out here in Pontchartrain this year, keep them eyes peeled for birds. Birds kind of told us, usually we like to fish up in those pilings. Birds started going crazy way out, got in that current line with the birds, started killing them. And you can see how far off the pilings and shoreline we are now. And then boom, got another one, feels like a pretty good fish. Oh yeah, that's a friggin' tank there actually. Come on up. Yeah, boy. That's what you want to end it on, y'all. We'll end this episode right here on that beautiful trout. Using some matrix products, some matrix shads. That worked okay, no doubt. But then once I went to this drop shot and this super hard current I'm dealing with, it was lights out with this. So make sure to subscribe. Come here, you big alligator. Oh, I can barely get my hand around that one. Make sure to subscribe to the monthly bait box. You'll be getting out Some of these new matrix shrimps that everybody's gonna love. This is one of my favorite baits. I'm super, super excited about this. And subscribe to our YouTube channel as we do all kinds of stuff out here. And guys, do not keep your eyes down. Keep them up and look for them birds. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys, and until next time, good fishing.